This is the sunglasses organizer case. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely wrapped in plastic, nothing to worry about there. The case itself is 12 inches this way, about 7 inches this way, and about 3.5 inches thick. It's kind of a soft faux leather material, feels good. On the top we have one of those space saver handles that retracts. It feels sturdy enough on the outer edges of it here, but I definitely wouldn't want to put anything heavy on top of it. Also, I certainly wouldn't feel concerned at all if I were to drop this anywhere. 2 zippers to open it up, and they're pretty smooth zippers. You got little rubber things on the end to help you out. When we open up the inside, you can see it's made out of kind of a light felt material, and they give you 7 customizable dividers with Velcro. If you're not going to use them all, you can always stick one of them right here. They say you can hold up to 8 pairs of glasses in here. I guess that's going to depend on the size and type of glasses you're storing in there, but it's easy to move these things around to wherever you want. You just take the 2 Velcro ends here and stick it to the outer portion of the case, however you want to do it. There's a cover for the top here that folds over to protect the glasses, and we've got 3 mesh pockets on here where you can store whatever you want to store, maybe some eyeglass cleaner, that kind of thing. There's a double zipper on this side of the case, and they've actually separated this into 2 pockets, again mesh, so you can see whatever you want to put in there. On the top we have a single zipper pocket that opens up. It's got that felt lining on the inside. You know, it's great for storing your daily stuff like a watch or a cloth to clean your glasses, whatever you want really. With the mesh, everything's visible. That's nice. According to the company, the case is splash proof, though I have not tested that out. So there you go, a compact case for your sunglasses or glasses or readers, whatever you want to put in there. That would be great for home, for storage, for travel, for daily use if you want. Good for peace of mind. Protect your glasses.